Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. Let's get started. In English, we use possessive adjectives to talk about who something belongs to. These are the pronouns we use in English. I, she, he, it, you, we, and they. Every pronoun has its own possessive adjective. For I, we use my. For she, we use her. For he, we say his. For it, we say its. For you, we say your. For we use our. For they, we use their. Who does this computer belong to? Her. It's her computer. Who owns this dog? It's their dog. Hey, whose money is this? Oh, it's my money. Who gets to eat this sandwich? You. It's your sandwich. Thanks for watching this video about possessive adjectives. I'll see you next time. Shukran. Bye.